Let's ride the ABC train.
A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for brain inside your head. C is for cat who's chasing a kite. D is for duck who dances at night. Ride, ride, ride the ABC train through the sunshine, snow and rain. Every letter has a tale to tell. Hop on board and learn so well. E is for elephant, big and sweet. F is for frog with bouncy feet. G is for giraffe, tall and grand. H is for hippo who claps her hands. I is for igloo, icy and round. J is for jelly that jiggles around. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion with the roar in the sky. Ride, ride, ride the ABC train through the sunshine, snow and rain. Every letter has a tale to tell. Hop on board and learn so well. N is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest in a big tall tree. O is for owl who sings at night. P is for penguin in black and white. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit hopping through town. S is for snake who slithers by. T is for turtle waving high. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the letter train. W is for whale who sings so free. X is for xylophone, play with me.